My name is Mehak. While I was working, there was a point where I realized to grow in my career, to achieve better roles, I need certain proficiency, certain skills, and that would have been provided by an MBA. I got many reviews about many coaching centers, and there was one person who actually motivated me to pay a visit to MBAGuru. While I was here, I was very curious about their adaptive module and their personalized curriculum, so I decided to join MBAGuru. So I joined towards the end of August. I had been very rigorous with my CAT preparations, and the faculty, the administrative staff, all were very supportive of my decision to doing the hard work and getting a good result. In CAT, my biggest weakness was quants because I wasn't scoring very well. I wasn't sure how to attempt the questions, which questions to choose, which questions to leave. So that was my biggest weakness, and I think I overcame it. My quant section was a little weak. Also, the booster classes that we had were very helpful because once my basic concepts were clear, it was a little easier for me to score well in the mocks and eventually score better in CAT. The faculty is great here. They are supportive. You can call them at any time and they would be responsive and they would help you out. The administrative staff and the curriculum is very good. And also I love the fact that MBAGuru is a close-knit family. Many times I felt like that. I had joined the coaching quite late. I didn't have a lot of time to improve on all my weak spots. So the best advice that I got was working on my strengths, and that's what I did. Faculty and everyone helped me out a lot in that. Everyone was ready to support my decision. It wouldn't have been possible without MBAGuru. Everyone here is very supportive of whatever you are doing, whatever hurdles you have, and I think that is something which also differentiates from other coaching.